Another look from the International Space Station, recorded earlier today. And I think this particular view is flying over the Northern Territory. Welcome to another update from the 4th to 13th Australia Oceania Channel, where the tropical scene continues to develop. Whilst we have tropical cyclone Gita on the radar, we have Invest91s now upgraded to tropical low, and starting off with a severe weather warning for damaging winds, heavy rainfall for people in parts of the Kimberley district. A tropical cyclone advice number 1 has been issued. Developing tropical low expected to track across the North Kimberley and may develop into a TC off the northwest Kimberley coast on Friday or Saturday. We have a cyclone watch, Kuri Bay to Port Hedland, including Broome, look at the rainbow, the Himalaya 8 satellite view, and you can definitely see the start of clockwise motion. And the tropical low details: sustained winds in the centre of 30 kilometres an hour with wind gusts to 85 kilometres an hour. Here's a look at the wind shear. The unfavourable area is in red, favourable green, neutral yellow. So wind shear is not an issue at this point in time. And Invest91s, 55 kilometres to 14.1 degrees south, 129.3 degrees east. Estimated to be about 195 kilometres north-northeast of Kununurra, 295 kilometres east of Kununurra. Here's the 24-hour shear tendency, and the movement of the tropical low is west-southwest, 19 kilometres an hour, and that's pretty fast. The upper level divergence, and it's up around 40 knots. Here's a earlier view of the Bureau's Darwin radar. The tropical low is expected to move over the Joseph Bonaparte Gulf late on Wednesday, then across the North Kimberley during Thursday. Now here's the Bureau's first track on Invest91s, and they have it at Cat 2 on the 17th. Now we have a look at the BSCH website. We're looking at a wind feature and the wind speed. The information bottom left hand side of the screen. And this is from 1600 hours out to 2200 hours Thursday. And not forgetting the area west of Tasmania. Now this is instability. Here in Queensland we've got a severe thunderstorm warning in place for the Wide Bay Burnett, the Central Highland Coalfields, Capricornia, Darley Downs, Granite Belt, and here in the southeast corner. Now we have a look at the latest tropical cyclone formation probability guide. Sea surface temperature is around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. Here's the first lot of NOAA floaters on the tropical low Invest91s. And where it first came on the radar up there in the AWST, it was actually Invest91p. And thanks to Levi Cowan for making available the fantastic website, Tropical Tidbits. Here's the plot for 91, a couple of tracks. This is the GFS, and this one could be on the money. Now we look at total precipitable water. It's in inches at the bottom of the screen. That's the scale. Now you can see tropical cyclone Gita and the tropical low and this is the GFS model, and we're going to see this tropical low, which if it becomes a tropical cyclone will be named Kelvin. This is the first position in the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. They have it at medium, and due to the time factor they should upgrade their position to high. Now we look at pressure and wind in knots. You can clearly see Gita, and she is edging towards the southeast corner region, and 90% of New Caledonia is now in the cone of uncertainty. I think the picture will become clearer probably on Friday. Now this is the Vormak floater. The Joint Typhoon Warning Centre uses this one for measurements. But what does one say about Gita's eye? It did close to 10 nautical miles, but it is wider. I'm not sure what the latest size is. And wind shear is a bit of a killer for this system to her south. And something else that comes into play are the highs to the south of the system, mainly down around New Zealand. The systems hate highs, and they normally avoid them. Now here's the chart from the JTWC.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype, or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.